Hello again, my name is Jessica and I am your Zon.Tools tutorial assistant. For today's video, I will show you how to edit your campaigns, even after you've set them up. After campaigns has been set up, you'll want to edit them along the way. Let's start with how you can edit your campaigns. To get to your campaigns, click on your Amazon seller, click on Ads, and click on Sponsored Products. Once you are on your Sponsored Products page, you would automatically land on your campaign level. To do your edits, click the three dots action button on the right side of your campaign. When you click this button, you will see these options. First, add SKU, if you want to add products to your campaign. You can choose to add SKU, just like how we created your PGN, or you can manually enter the SKU you want to add, then click Submit. The second is adding keywords or targets. The same process when we created the PGN, make sure to add one keyword per line. Uploading a CSV file is still available when editing your campaigns. If you are adding ASIN targets, it will also be in this option, so one ASIN per line. And don't forget to click the Add button to save the keywords or ASIN you just added. Next is adding your negatives. First is to choose which match type, is it negative exact or negative phrase you're adding. Type in the negative you'll add, same with the keywords and targets, one negative per line. The CSV file upload is also available when adding negatives. And then click the Add button. Next is the Edit option. When you open this, a modal will appear. Here you can edit the following. First, you can edit the name of your campaign. Then, you can edit the bidding strategy of the campaign. You can choose from up and down, fixed bid, and down only. We highly suggest and recommend using down only, so Amazon cannot override the bid adjustments done by our tool. You can change the start date and add an end date for the campaign. Change the status of the campaign from enabled to pause, or pause to enabled. If you want to adjust the budget of your campaign, you can do it from this modal. As well as adjusting your placement bids, it can be done through this modal. Just one reminder when adjusting your placement bids. Research and review reports before adjusting. After any of the changes are made, don't forget to click the Save button to save any changes made. Next is the Archive option. If, at some point, you don't need the campaign and don't want to leave it to pause, archive your campaign through the three dots action button. Take note that when you archive a campaign, or any entity within your account, you can no longer retrieve or get it back to enabled once archived. And lastly is the Manage rule. With your Manage rule, here you would see your created rule templates, which we will discuss in a separate video. But for the Manage rule, if let's say you want to update your rules with any of your rules templates that you have created, you can do it from here and just toggle the rule you choose to use. And those are your options when editing your existing campaigns. Continue watching our tutorial videos to learn and understand more about how Zon.Tools works.